Welcome back, unicorns, to another video, and today's video is a YouTube collab, so if you want to see me create this look and hear the theme, stay tuned. So this collab is for hashtag unicornglamsquad, and this is my collab that I created here on YouTube, and we do different themes. And we do have a Instagram group that we talk on, so we can send our links and our photos. All this month, we're going to be doing Halloween themed makeup looks, so I hope y'all do enjoy it. I can't wait for the ladies to see what they do for today. But this week's theme was dolls. So this is what doll look I created. I did, because you know how my eyes are two different shape, I did kind of like if one of her eyes were droopy, and because you know some dolls are like that. So that's what I created. So what I did to create this eye look, the first thing I did is put pink eyeshadow on, which I'll show you the palette I used and what I did. So I used the Pink Religion palette, and all I did was I put this Saint Star all over my lid, and then put a Sugar Savior, which is right here, on the outer part of my crease and in my crease some. So to deepen it up a little bit, I just want to do a pink look because this is all pink look I'm doing. And then that's all I used out of this palette. I only used 2 shades out of the Pink Religion palette. I will link this down below. And then for my inner corner highlight, I used the Unicorn Glow highlighting collection. Looks like this. And I used Stardust, which is this white shimmer shade right here. Also, another thing I did, how I got this little shimmer, like doll-like skin, is just I lightly dusted star dust all over my face, because there was that trend going around where they put a mask on to make that look, but I didn't want to put a mask on to ruin it, so I put that shimmer all over my lid. All over my face. It's so pretty. Let me know what you think of that look. Such a cool finish to it. And then for my blush, I use Unicorn Glow and Peach Berry. I will link this down below. I do have a code for them if you want to use that at checkout. And now let's get on with the next thing that I use. I use the Tattoo Eyeliner in the white shade. This is from Depot Beauty, I think. Let me find it. Makeup Depot. So I use this under my eye to make it a little bit bigger. I was going to put it in my waterline, but none of those shades last in my eyes because my eyes do water some. To set that shade, because I really want it to be a little bit more white and to stay there, I used the setting powder by Elon Badero. I don't know if I'm saying that name right. And then for the black under my eyes and the lashes, I used the YC Collection Island eyeliner. And there is a smudger on this end. I did use it right here because I did put a little bit more black right there. I didn't want that thick of a blackness. But this worked very good too. It was very smooth under the eyes. This one was a little bit hard to make the lashes, but since it was like the drippy effect that I wanted, I didn't care if the lashes looked perfect on this side, but this side I tried to take my best time doing it. But it was very smooth, very good on the under my eyes, which is very nice. And I haven't tried this brand before. I got this from my Etsy bag. So the last thing I want to talk about is the lashes. I think I got these from Mary Makeup and More 2 here on YouTube. I think that's where I got them from, but there's a whole set of lashes. I did trim them some because my eyes are really small. So I did trim a little bit from the front because the front is a little bit extended. But I did trim some from the front and the ones notch from the back because it was like a little bit big on my eyes. And that is the lashes I use. I don't know where she got them from. She might have got them from like Temu or something. And then the lash glue I'm using is the LA Colors lash glue, and the clear one. So that is all the makeup look I used. Oh, I forgot the last thing I want to talk about is the I Heart Revolution Love Story or Story lip balm. I just put it in the middle and a little bit up here. I did not put it on the edge to make my lips look a little bit littler, like a doll would be. And then the last thing I want to talk about, So this will be the last makeup item. I use the I Heart Revolution Unicorn Heart setting spray as well as the Urban Decay All Nighter setting spray to help my makeup last. And the I Heart Revolution one gave a little bit of a more of a shimmer look since it is like a doll look. And I think that's it for the makeup part. So what I'm wearing today is the first thing you're not going to be able to see because where my ponytail is, but I'm wearing the pearl scrunchie that I got from Justnita. I'm wearing the pearl necklace that I have in my collection. And then I will put a picture somewhere during the video of my fit, but I'm just wearing this top. And then I rolled it up and I have a dress underneath it. I like that look, and the reason why I had to do that because the dress does not zip, so I have to do it this way so it covers the back. But that's what I'm wearing for the doll look. I don't know if I'm going to be able to link anything for my accessories that I'm wearing, but I know that some people love seeing what I'm wearing, and it's just an idea just in case you want to create a doll look. But if you wear any dress, you know, you want in pearls and like cutesy things, it will be like a doll look. But let me know what you think of this look down below. And forgot to mention the blush. I just did it in little circles because that's usually what a doll look it's kind of like. That's why I did it that way. But you can blend out the more of the blush if you wanted to. And I think that is it. So if you got this far in the video and you're enjoying it, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and comment down below anything that reminds you of a doll to be shouted out in the next video. If you want to see me shout out in the previous video uploaded on my channel, check out the channel's checkout section in the description. There will be YouTubers as well as subscribers. If they're a YouTuber, go check out their channel and tell them I sent you. And if they're a subscriber, make sure you go find their comment in this comment section of this video and tell them you're thankful for the support to the unicorn family. This is just a way for me to say thank you to anybody that watches my videos in full. It does help out a lot. And I love doing shout outs, so y'all seem to enjoy it. So again, if you do want to be shout out, don't forget to leave that emoji that reminds you of a doll. So it could be like a bow, like a house, because you know, like a doll house, or like, you know, anything you could think of. Or just like say you watched it in full if you can't find an emoji to put. And yeah. So I forgot to mention, I will link all the lovely ladies that's in this collab down below. I don't know how many people are joining this week, but there will be the to their channel and their link to their video, so you can go check them out and show them some love. And if I haven't got everybody down there yet, because we do post different times, I will put the hashtag in my title, which is hashtag unicornglamsquad. And if you click that, you can get to see recent videos uploaded on my channel or on the collab group. This is an open collab, anyone can join in. All you have to do is let me know and I will add you to the group chat and you can see what looks we're doing each week, and you have to have an Instagram. If you don't, you can email me and I can send you the list. All you have to do is send me your picture and your link to your video, and I will send you the whole list of everybody's links and videos, or you can just check out my description and I will send you the list of the themes. Again, in October we're doing Halloween themed makeup looks, so hope y'all do enjoy it and stay tuned for the next one. I will link the playlist down below for 31 Days of Halloween, as well as for YouTube collabs, just in case you want to watch past of these collabs or any other collabs that's on my channel. You can check out that playlist. And please stay tuned for any of the other days that we do for 31 Days of Halloween. I'm so excited for this series, and hopefully y'all too are as well. And again, just keep checking back at that playlist for 31 Days of Halloween if you missed any of the days, and it should be all the days. There will be 32 videos because we did do one early, which was the 30th of September. So there'll be 32 videos for y'all to watch, from makeup, skincare, unboxings, hauls, journaling, relax and color me, and more, anything Halloween related. And if you want to know the schedule, I do makeup Mondays, I do Unicorn Glam Squad, which is on Wednesdays, I do Women Who Collab, which is on Thursdays, Face Mask Friday, which is on Fridays, Sticker Saturday, which is on Saturdays, and Come Collage with Us, which is on the first of the month, that we do a journal page. And then any of the other free days will be splashed in on any other content that's Halloween related. So hope y'all stay tuned. And now I think that is it. So that's it for today's video. If you enjoyed it, give it a thumbs up. Comment down below what you thought of my doll inspired makeup look for today. Let me know your thoughts on it. And if you have saw that trend of doll skin, you could also just put a highlighter all over your face. When the light hits it, it looks like shiny. But that's just a tip for me, just because you don't want to put the mask all over your face. But that trend was going around a little bit months back. But I just wanted to give y'all that tip, just in case you want to do a lot doll look and want that skin, doll like skin finish. Just put a shiny highlighter all over your face. And lastly, don't forget to subscribe to our unicorn family. Hit the bell icon to be notified when I upload. And unicorns, always be yourself. Bye.